Paying your bills online with Gexpro.com is the fastest and easiest way to close out unpaid invoices on your account. In this training, I'll review just how easy it is. After logging in, click Accounts and then View Pay Invoices and select Yes to be directed to the third-party site for bill pay. If this option isn't available for you, ask your sales rep or click the Support and Feedback button in the header for further assistance. Our bill pay portal has tabs for you to view all your open invoices, closed invoices, your payment history, and adjust your settings. Before paying any bills, you must add your payment information by clicking the Settings tab, Payment Settings, and then Add Bank Account. Enter the bank name, name of the person on the account, routing and account number, and the associated address, then hit Save. Now that you have your payment information saved, you can go to your Open tab to view and select the invoices you want to pay. To pay off invoices, you must select the checkboxes next to the invoices you would like to pay. You can view information on each invoice like the invoice number, PO number, open balance, and amount paid. Sort or search any column by clicking the arrow in the header to help you find the invoices or statements you're looking for. Once you have selected your invoices, click Pay Bills and you're good to go. Invoices will be paid and closed on your account within 48 hours. If you would prefer, you may also pay by the summary on the home page by selecting which statement you would like to pay off in full. Invoices and statements can be printed or downloaded in bulk from this system by selecting the documents of interest and clicking Print or Download. You can download your files in multiple different formats for accounting purposes, including QuickBooks. We hope you find our online bill paying tool beneficial and encourage you to reach out to your local branch or credit representative with any questions. Thank you for watching.